trying to find niggas to rob, try to finish the job, finish the job. They trying to find niggas to rob, trying to find niggas to rob, try to finish the job, finish the job, finish the job. Beef balls, back behind balls, back behind balls, beef balls, back behind balls, beef balls, beef balls, back behind balls, back behind balls, beef balls, back behind balls, beef balls. Beef is when the judge is calling you defendant. Beef home with a long tail.
That's such huge. Oh my gosh. Damn. That thing is so crazy. It is tilted so back. Like, how can you even see over the hood? And we are back. I was literally just here yesterday getting new tires for the FRS. Damn. That thing is so sick. What's going on, everyone? I hope you all are having a good one so far. I just pulled up to Hernandez Tires. If you guys watched our previous vlog, we were literally just here getting some new tires for the FRS. But today we're meeting up with a few of my friends, one with his BMW right here and Lexus over there. I don't even know what we have going on, but we're just gonna be filming a video today. Hopefully we can get like a little exhaust video, because the exhaust he has on his BMW is crazy. It sounds absolutely insane, and he just got it back too. I've been wanting to film with him for like a while now, so today's a perfect chance. So what's up?
What's up, bro?
What's up? This is my friend Ethan's car. He literally just got it back like a week ago. He just got the car and it's already back. Look how low this thing is. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Oh my gosh, that looks so sick. So freaking nice. Jeez. Hey, you just put the lip on?
Yeah, yes it is.
Looks nice. I like this lip. This is the other friend's car. We're here because he's actually putting tires on his wheels right now. He got some work wheels, so I think today we're gonna be throwing them on the Lexus. And he said he doesn't know if they're gonna fit, so that'll be pretty cool to see later. He as well just slammed his car on coilovers. Dude, I literally cannot get over this though.
Dude, my mom literally watches every video.
Wait, what did you say your mom watches all my videos?
Yeah, literally every single one of them. Dude, she'll like text me because she moved to Japan like last year.
Oh really?
So like, yeah, I don't see her no more. But like, she'll text me like, oh, do you see Chris's new video?
No way.
Like, did you see its new color? I'm like, yes, mom.
That's crazy. So he's the one that actually had the turbo FRS that we made. When was that video we made? Like, that was a while ago.
Yeah.
But it was the white FRS that he had. It was turbo. But unfortunately, he doesn't even have it anymore.
Gone.
It's gone. Rest in peace. Dude, that car was so sick though. Oh. That thing is so fast. Dude, I need this so bad. Oh. Were those on that? Those are on the FRS, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, that's gonna be stretched.
It's crazy.
You should have stretched more. You should have got 205.
215 35s? What size? 9.5?
Yeah, 9.5.
Damn. We're
Yeah.
VS, what are those? VSSs?
VSSS.
The brush lips. I love the brush lips. I'm such a huge fan of brush lips. I think they look so nice. I honestly don't know that much about BMWs, but he was telling me that his car actually has the same motor as the new Supra, which I thought was pretty cool. I'm all over the new interior. Oh my gosh, that sounds so nice. Bro, BMWs make the sickest noises ever. Like in between shifts, it does like this like farting sound. It's I don't know how to explain it. It It is crazy though. It like pops in between shifts. I don't know how to explain it. That sound right there. I don't know if you guys caught that on camera. I love that sound. It pops so much. I thought my car popped a lot.
Close. Can I get closer?
Tripping, your freaking center caps are not even spinning.
Oh yeah.
What the heck?
Pops are loud, right?
Dude, that shit was loud. Yeah,
really?
It sounded like gunshot.
I can't tell like being in the car. Like,
Yeah,
I
I
haven't
can't
really.
really tell in the car. Like that's how I
Oh, you can
was.
see
Shit,
the
you shot a
flame.
flame.
Yeah.
He was shooting flames, dude. It's distorted the camera.
And right when you're next to the car, it like echoes inside the car.
Yeah, dude, like I can feel it in my heart.
Damn.
I'm gonna lower it. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, you can go a lot.
I'm gonna go lower.
You should. You need to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes such a big difference. Ooh, that looks good. Damn, that's super low.
Oh, it's like perfect.
Oh, you know what you should do, Chris?
That would look be sick.
Dude, you should put these on, but take
This thing, oh, tuck
the
it.
fender thing off and bolt this in, and then put that
Put it
on.
on top?
Bolt it on this.
Tucked in here,
Yeah.
or you could just shave a piece.
Yeah, that's true. It doesn't look
I
bad
like
at all.
this.
It actually looks really sick.
Dude, that looks sick.
Especially with the little thing in the back.
Yeah, I love that winglet.
Damn. Let's scrape it though.
Will you?
Yeah.
Metal though.
Yeah, it's metal, so it won't break. At least.
What do you guys think? Do you guys like these little side skirt extensions? These are cool too because these are metal, so it actually saved the fiberglass on my side skirts. So it actually works out. Probably gonna have to end up trimming this right here because it'll run into this little side skirt thing that I have right here. I don't want to have it like under this thing because this thing sits super low already and I scrape it all the time, so I feel like chopping it right here would work out much better. But yeah, I feel like that would look really sick. That looks so much better.
You got it like up to -10, I think.
Sounds like a freaking jet. Oh my god.
It's like
It's so much better because it had an exhaust now. It was different when it was
the
stock.
crazy thing.
Jeez. Dude, I cannot get over that sound. Oh my gosh. Damn. Dude, you hear that?
The guy.
Yeah. Like, what did you say? Like, slow down. That dude was pissed. Goals.